Since I already know what my business is going to be about, it's time for step 2. And this should be pretty simple. I need to make a checklist of things that I need to complete in the following weeks or months to finally have my business up and running. Should be easy. Okay, so obviously there are a lot of things that I need to do, but I already knew that. That is not what worries me because I know that individually I can perform almost all of the tasks without much problem. What I've realized that can be a bigger issue though is my perfectionism. I can spend an absurd amount of time tweaking, fixing, or improving the most unimportant details just to make sure that no one sees that I've done something wrong. And that is a problem. I've always felt this way, but now I feel like there are two key factors that could accentuate this problem. The first one is that now there's no one that I need to report to by the end of the week. And for some reason, that was something that used to help me finish things on time. And the second one is my emotional investment in this project. I really want this project to succeed, which makes me want to ensure that everything I do is of a really good quality. So before I start working on any of the things on my list and realize halfway through that I'm taking way too long to finish each step, I first need to find a solution or a system that will help me organize, prioritize, and set specific deadlines for each of these tasks. So, after some thought, here's what I've decided to do. First, to keep my perfectionism in place, I'm going to be using the minimum viable product idea. This means that I will be starting with a basic version of my project to launch faster, and then I will get feedback and improve based on that information. Also, in the day-to-day workflow, I will set up objectives using the SMART goals system, which is a framework that will help me establish objectives that are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. And lastly, I just need to make sure that I am consistent and that I follow through with all of this, which is why each week I will have a dedicated time frame to review the entire process and see if the system is working smoothly or if I am setting up unrealistic goals. And there it is. Now I just need to get started.